Hello students, welcome back in maths classes. This is exercise 1.3. Today we will solve question number 3, 4 and 5. So I hope you are aware of the process of division, okay, the division of integers. But these questions are different from question 1 and 2. Question number 3 is if a equals 24, b equals 8, c equals 4. So verify that, we have to verify that a divided by b plus c not equal to a divided by b plus a divided by c. So students, what to do in this question? Three values are given, a, b, c. We have to prove that, means this is LHS, this is RHS, both are not equal, means this is not equal to this value. आपको इस एक्सप्रेशन की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है और इस एक्सप्रेशन की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है, then you will prove that both these are not equal. How to do this? So we will write a divided by b plus c. We will solve this left hand side, okay, the value of left LHS. What is the value of a? 24. Put the division, sign of division in the bracket, b plus c, this is b plus c, so it is 8 plus 4. Now it is 24 divided by 8 plus 4, 12, simply. As you know, 24 divided by 12, we have 2. Okay, 24 divided by 12, we get 2. Now we have to find the value of this expression on right hand side. So what is on right hand side? A divided by b plus a divided by c. So substitute the values of a, b and c. A divided by b means 24 divided by 8. 24 divided by 8. You write plus sign. Means you have to put the values of a, b and c. Okay, and be careful, by mistake you don't change the sign. Division, addition, division. So it is division, addition. A divided by c is 24 divided by 4. 24 divided by 4. Now calculate this. What is 24 divided by 8? So here the tables are very important. You have to use the tables. 8 1 is 8, 8 2 is 16, 8 3 is 24. So it is 3 plus, what is 24 divided by 4? So think about the table of 4. 4 6 are 24. 4 6 are. What I have done here, value of this is 3 and value of this is 6 and finally it is 9. Now see carefully, value of this is 2 and value of this expression is 9. As you can see, 2 is not equal to 9. Okay, so you will write 2 is not equal to 9. Hence we will write the same statement for this expression. A divided by b plus c not equal to a divided by b plus a divided by c. This way you write the answer, because you have to prove this statement, means LHS और RHS इक्वल नहीं है, तो आपने पहले इसका वैल्यू कैलकुलेट किया, ये आया 2, देन आपने इसका वैल्यू कैलकुलेट किया, ये आपके पास आया 9, एंड यू नो दैट 2 इज नॉट इक्वल टू 9, सो इट इज ऑलराइट प्रूफ। मीन्स हम यही प्रूफ करना चाहते हैं कि ये दोनों इक्वल नहीं है, लेफ्ट और राइट वाली वैल्यू, तो 2 और 9 इक्वल नहीं है, सो इट इज प्रूफ। व्हेन यू राइट 2 नॉट इक्वल टू 9, hence this is not equal to this. Pause the video and note question number 4. These are the basic questions, and as we solve the questions one by one, the concept will be more clearer. Fourth question. Write 4 pairs of integers. Write 4 pairs of integers a and b such that a divided b equals -4. Now there is a very important thing. For this question there are infinite answers. Okay, if you have solved this question and you check your answers at the last page of the book, maybe your answer is matching or not. So आपको बिल्कुल बर्डन नहीं करना, किसी भी तरह की टेंशन नहीं लेनी, बिकॉज यहाँ पर इनफाइनाइट आंसर्स हो सकते हैं. सो हाउ इट इज पॉसिबल, लेट्स सी. You have to think 2 numbers. Okay, any 2 numbers in this way, a and b, and this is a pair, this is one pair, so you have to write 4 pairs. Okay, such that if you divide this number by this number you get -4. Simply, what is the meaning of this? Means both the numbers have opposite sign. तो सबसे पहले आपको देखो स्टूडेंट्स, यहाँ पे रटना नहीं, दोनों के साइन अपोजिट होंगे, बिकॉज डिवीजन में माइनस का साइन है, तो या तो ये नेगेटिव होगा या ये, कोई भी एक हो सकता है. बोथ द नंबर्स विल नॉट बी नेगेटिव. देन if you divide you will get 4, so you have to write your answer directly. 4 pairs are, you have to write first pair, second pair, third pair and fourth pair. फर्स्ट पेयर में हम क्या वैल्यू लिखेंगे, लिसन, a divided b, b is -4, so if this is 4, okay, this is 1 because 4 divided by 1 is 4. First of all you write the absolute values. Absolute means without the sign. Okay, अगर आप 4 को 1 से डिवाइड करते हैं तो आपको 4 मिलेगा, बट वो -4 है, so you can put the minus sign anywhere. ये भी नेगेटिव हो सकता है, ये भी नेगेटिव हो सकता है. You can write -4 and 1. This is 1 pair. Again you can write -1 here also. So check your answer. A divided by b, so 4 divided by 1 is 4, but this is negative sign, so quotient will be again negative. Next, if you write 8, okay, and to get 4, what should be the second number? Okay, so 8 को हम किससे डिवाइड करें कि quotient हमें 4 मिल जाए? So 8 को हम 2 से डिवाइड करें, obviously, because 8 upon 2 is 4. The answer is negative. You can write minus sign anywhere. Next, okay, next क्या हो सकता है? Second trick, okay. इसकी एक और ट्रिक है, आंसर लिख रहे हैं, आपको यहाँ पर कोई भी नंबर लिख देना है, any integer. Integer means positive or negative. Write any number, 6, 7, 8, 100, 200, 1000, 1 lakh, 1 crore. Okay, so you have written 6. Now the answer is 4. Means आप a को b से डिवाइड करेंगे तो 4 आएगा. It means b को 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो a मिलेगा. So 6 को 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 24 मिलेगा. किसी भी नंबर को आप नेगेटिव कर सकते हैं. Now these are the 4 pairs. So if you see the video again, okay, you will understand this. So divide this number by this number, the answer is -4. For this, answer is -4. This -4 and this also -4. These are the 4 pairs. Question number 5 is, give 3 examples to prove that if P and Q are two integers, then P divided by Q is not necessarily integer. 3 examples, okay? So, if P and Q are integers, you have to prove that P divided by Q is not necessarily an integer. So, the best method, or you can say best trick to solve this question is, आपको कोई दो वैल्यू ऐसी सोचनी है जिसमें से एक वैल्यू दूसरी की टेबल में नहीं आती हो. ओके, दिस इज द बेस्ट मेथड, बेस्ट ट्रिक. सो यू हैव टू राइट 3 एग्जांपल्स. नाउ फर्स्ट, p equal to 2 and q equal to 3. So p divided by q means 2 divided by 3 is not an integer. अगर आप 2 को 3 से डिवाइड करते हैं तो इंटीजर नहीं आएगा. सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल, थिंक एनी नंबर. ओके, आई एम टेलिंग यू द बेस्ट मेथड टू सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन. राइट एनी नंबर. सपोज यू हैव रिटन 10. व्हाट शुड बी द सेकेंड नंबर? ऐसा नंबर लिखना है जिसकी टेबल में 10 नहीं आता हो, कोई भी नंबर. 7. ओके. थर्ड, again write any number. Suppose you have written 100. What is the second number? ऐसा नंबर जिसकी टेबल में 100 नहीं आता हो. Any number. There are many more numbers. You can write 21. Not a problem. So these values of P and Q are possible, for which P divided by Q is not an integer, because P को Q से हम completely divide नहीं